Hi, Brad from bradsautoglass.com. In the video that you're presently watching, the gentleman did a really great job, and I really appreciate him posting this video for me. And there's a link to his site on there. You should check him out. But one of his complaints was that the glass came like this, and that you could see through the whole thing. And he would have liked it if it had come like this with the black border painted around the outside edge. Unfortunately, the cost of painting that border is about $40 to $42, so it just priced me out of the game. But I did come up with a way that using your Beta Seal Prime that comes in our urethane and primer kit, which you should be ordering anyway, you can use this to create your own black border around the outside. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to do that. So most auto parts stores sell pinstriping tape, about this thickness. This is 1/4 inch. You could use 3/16. And you can use this to mask off your glass so that you can paint the black border on. I'll show you how to do that. So I've taken my window and I've used this blue fine line tape that you can get from 3M. You could use pinstriping tape, and you can buy this at most auto parts store. You can, like I said, you can use pinstriping tape or 3M blue fine line or any plastic masking. And then with the Beta Seal Prime that comes in our kit, I'm going to paint the black border on there similar to this window. So I've got it already started. I'm going to finish taping it off. I'm going to prime it, and I'll come back and we'll talk about it. All right, so we're going to shake this real good. We're going to take and push this down, twist it. You can hear the air escape. Tip it over, squeeze it. You can see the black primer coming into the sponge. And then we're going to just take and paint it on this edge of the glass. Now don't worry about getting it on the outside edges or anything, because you can clean it off, brake clean. And then when you get done priming the window, if you need to prime anything else, you need to do it right now, because otherwise this sponge will dry up and you won't be able to use the product. Actually, that's not entirely true. You can poke a hole in it and you could use a cotton ball. I would like to add a quick footnote that when you're opening up the primer and you're squeezing it out, you want to have a rag or a surface or be over a trash can, because this can fill really fast and drip, and you don't want to get it on anything. It makes a mess. But if you do get it on something, brake clean will clean it off, and you can also use brake clean to clean the window before you start, and if you get primer someplace that you don't want it. All right, so I've let it cure for about 5 minutes. You need to just be careful. It might still be a little tacky. You can let it set a little longer. No more than 20 minutes though, because you'll need to reprime for the urethane to adhere. So I'm going to pull this tape off. And as you can see, it's got a black border. So as you can see, I painted the border on. You can see the border all the way around. And depending on your window, you might want to put a border over here where my hand's at. I didn't put one on. I just wanted to show you how to do this. And this is ready to install. And if you have any questions, please feel free to contact me at technical support. The phone number can be found on my website at bradsautoglass.com. Thank you.